Welcome back. I did some more investigation on the emojis and well, I didn't get a 100% result what I wanted to have, but for now I have a solution that works for a lot of emojis in color and some are in black and white. What I'm going to show you is how you can add the testing repository. So at the moment we have the stable and we're going to add testing. And you can use the same sections as the ones that are already there. So when we do a search for fonts-noto, this time you'll see that there is the package color emoji font from Google. I already installed it. It's not really that hard. I mean, you just mark it for installation. Well, because it's already installed, it's grayed out, and then you just apply. And you can also see that in my previous movie. So if we go back to Chromium, and we go back to the same YouTube movie, and now you can see that, for instance, the hand gestures, they're in color, but the smileys, they're in black and white. And here you have some dancing people in color. Here also the smileys in black and white. I'm not really sure why these smileys are in black and white. There are some smileys that do show up in color, and I'm not really sure. Oh, the hearts are also black and white here. Oh, oops. No, don't do that. Oh well. Anyway. Oh. Yep. No. Where was it? Ah, there. So here you have smileys where the head is tilted and it's laughing so hard it starts crying. That one is in color. Yeah, I think this will be my last movie for this year. So I'm going to wish you all happy holidays and hope to see you back in 2020. Bye bye.